Kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. So today's video, I have a lot for you guys. I did not want to make it a super long video, so I shortened it to about 13 minutes, but this is 2 days of cleaning. So I went ahead and started in this room. I am not going to clean in this room because this room has been a mess. So the day I'm doing this voiceover, it is January 31st. My stepkids have been gone a month. They have not been to our house in a month because both my husband and my son ended up testing positive for we all know what. And not at the same time. My husband tested first, and then about 15 days later, my son tested. So my stepkids were not able to come with us just because we did not want to expose them. But when they did leave, they left, I believe, New Year's Day. And they left their room a total disaster. So my husband told me to leave their room the way it was, and when they got back to us, they were going to go ahead and kind of do like a decluttering of their bedroom because there was a lot of clothes left on the floor, in the closet, under the bed. You can see my stepdaughter's bed has a lot of junk, so I just kind of picked up just a little bit and changed their sheets. That way when they come back, they have clean sheets. So that's what I did in that room. Then I ended up going into their bathroom because here's where I spent most of my time. I was giving this bathroom a whole refresh on the floors because the grout was just looking really ugly to me. I just didn't like the way it looked. So I went ahead and cleaned up the bathroom, cleaned up the toilets, the sink, and then I went ahead and cleaned the floors by hand. I didn't mop it. I got down on my hands and knees and I scrubbed down the baseboards and I scrubbed down the floors. I didn't show all of that because I think that's tedious, but I ended up going to Home Depot and buying these grout pens, and I decided to give them a try. I saw them, I think I saw them back when I redid my kitchen, like the backsplash, and that was the last time I ever used it. I did not like the way they worked on the kitchen tile, the backsplash, so I just put them up, but then I realized I can use them on the grout in the kids' bathroom because just look at it, it's just dark and dirty and dingy. So I did clean it. I scrubbed the floors really well, and then I went ahead and used a pen, and you guys, I completely love the way it looks. It just transformed the bathroom, and it even made the space look bigger for some reason. I think when you brighten up a place with really light paint and just really light colors, it just makes the room bigger. But for some reason, the floor just looked just bigger to me. I don't know why, but I think that this product really worked, and it's not anything that's going to be permanent. We probably have to go over it again. So this has been on the floor for about a week now, I believe, and it has done great. And I have actually mopped in there, and just it looks great. Nothing, it hasn't come off or anything like that. It doesn't look scuffed, but we'll see throughout time and when all the kids are actually at the house and we have more traffic in that bathroom.
I thought that we had something special. I thought I handled this so well. I know we had the right intentions, but somehow it came to an end. I was looking for a remedy.
Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, when I first started it, I immediately thought, oh my gosh, what was I thinking? Only because I felt like it was going to be tedious, but once I got started, the process went by really fast and it worked great. I used about 3 pens in total, just because I wanted the white to really stick out, really bright. So I kind of went over it. I believe I went over it twice. There's certain areas that I didn't go over it twice just because it was not needed, but I did go over it twice, like the main areas that you see when you walk into the bathroom. But yes, it is a little bit tedious, but the end result is amazing.
Never know when you're home. I get unstable. I get unstable. unstable. I get unstable. I push you back, I hold you close. Push you back, hold you close. Start a fight, there you go. I get unstable. I get unstable.
Okay, and here is the end result, and I think it looks amazing. I spent about $21. No, hold on. I spent $28 because the pens are $6.98, so $7. I bought 4 pens, but I only ended up using 3. So for $21 plus tax, I think that the floor turned out great, and I will have an extra pen if I need to go over it. I'm pretty sure I would. I mean, it's a Grout pen, and throughout time, I'm pretty sure the white is going to get dirty or scuffed up or whatever. So, but for right now, I think that it looks great for $21 on a budget. I didn't have to do like take out flooring or anything like that. I just added just a little bit of the white Grout pen, and it just made a difference. And now I'm moving into my bedroom. As you can see, it is a mess, and it's a little later in the day, so I went ahead and made my bed, put up some laundry, and then I ended it there. And then I woke up the next morning and I finished up in our living room.
Hey, I don't get what this is about. You got my head spinning on my shoulders. I feel it burn inside of my chest. See the lines as they blur out. I can feel it knocking me out. You're bringing me higher and higher in every way. And all of my doubts, I can feel them, they're fading away. Oh, you're like a fantasy. I know this can't be real. I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling way down. All delusional. Got me feeling like I'm lucid dreaming. Got me flying high. 'Cause I can't believe that I get to have you close. On an endless road, I'm levitating now. In one of those lucid dreams. In one of those lucid dreams. Oh yeah. Wait, you gotta tell me what you did. I saw the world turning in my mind. Oh, yesterday you pulled the rug under my feet. Still I'm trying to wake me up. What if I'm making it all up? You're bringing me higher and higher in every way. Yeah. And all of my doubts, I can feel them, they're fading away. Oh, you're like a fantasy. I know this can't be real. I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling way down. All delusional. 'Cause you got me feeling like I'm lucid dreaming. Got me flying high. 'Cause I can't believe that I get to have you close. On an endless road, I'm levitating now. In one of those lucid dreams. In one of those lucid dreams. I walk within your maze. My head is dizzy like the purple haze. I don't know where we're going, but the clues that you are throwing are leading me back home to you. 'Cause you got me feeling like I'm lucid dreaming, got me flying. Yeah. 'Cause I can't believe that I get to have you close. On an endless road, I'm levitating now. In one of those lucid dreams. Oh yeah. In one of those lucid dreams. I'm not heading for the stars, driving down the boulevard at night.
Okay, it is now the next day, and I just had to tidy up out here, but I do want to talk to you guys about my living space. So a few weeks ago, I thought I hit the record button, and I filmed a video changing out my home decor, rearranging my living space, but like I said, I thought I hit the record button, but apparently not. But I am wanting to go for more of a like boho neutral look in my living space, and that is why I got these Amazon pillow covers. I'll link them down below. I thought they were super cute. I do still like my pops of pinks here and there, but I'm going for like a neutral with lots of greenery and then some pink. I can't explain what my vision, but that's kind of what I'm looking for. Also, the goal is to paint the house. And the next goal is to get rid of that mirror above the fireplace. My husband says if we get rid of it, we're going to have to do a lot of patchwork because apparently the mirror is glued to the wall. So if we get rid of the mirror, there's a lot of just patching that we would have to do. And he just doesn't want to do all that. But hopefully I can convince him to. But yeah, I am going for just a different look for my living space, and I cannot wait until I can paint the whole entire house, because I feel like for some reason, this is just me, I cannot get a picture in my head of what my living space is going to look like if my walls are this ugly beige color. And I am sorry, I know others might like this color because it's neutral, it's toned down, but for me, I just don't like it. I like my whites and my grays, so hopefully we can change that up really soon, and hopefully those are projects that will be coming soon as well. But that is it for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave it a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next one.
I'm not heading for the stars, driving down this boulevard tonight. Yeah, playing Coldplay on repeat, watching people on the street as I go by. Now my wheels in motion and my